The allowances for foster parents in Manitoba needs to be reviewed, says Manitoba Liberal Party interim leader Cindy Lamoureux.
Here in Manitoba, we have been in a CFS crisis for well over a decade. Every political party, no matter who is in government, has said this.
She's calling on the current provincial government to consider raising the rate paid to foster parents to keep up with the rising cost of living, a rate that hasn't increased in many years.
In recent years, other provinces have improved conditions by amending basic maintenance rates. These maintenance rates go towards food, clothing, transportation, and healthcare, and many more things. Yet they have been frozen for over a decade.
According to the Manitoba Liberal Party, foster parents in Manitoba receive between $8,000 to $10,000 a year to care for a child. They point to a 2023 Statistics Canada report that says the average cost of raising a child is $17,000 a year, around twice as much. Manitoba Foster Parent Association President Jamie Fow says the freeze impacts the well-being of the children in care.
With our service fees not increasing in over 2 decades and basic maintenance rates not increasing in over a decade, Manitoba is having a difficult time finding appropriate placements for the children who have been apprehended by this province.
Manitoba currently has over 10,000 children in care, and roughly 90% are Indigenous. Despite that, Fow says she received no training on how to care for Indigenous children in a culturally sensitive way.
Manitoba is one of the only jurisdictions in the world that doesn't require a pre-service training program. Our neighbors to the east and west of us do require pre-service training. This would be the perfect time to provide ample education about the realities of the 60 scoop, the millennial scoop that is currently taking place. And it would be a great way for foster parents to understand the context. Unfortunately, in Manitoba, we do not have that.
Lamoureux says she will call for an emergency debate on the issue when session returns in March. Sav Jonesa, APTN National News, Winnipeg.